How to reconnect Candy Crush to Facebook. So if you want to reconnect Candy Crush to your Facebook, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go and uninstall your Candy Crush application at first. Once you uninstall your Candy Crush application, you need to go with your Play Store and again install the Candy Crush application. Once you install the application, if you try to open the application, then it will ask you if you want to continue with Facebook, right? So once you get to that page, then you just need to simply choose the Facebook account that you would like to reconnect. But make sure that you've logged into the correct Facebook account. After uninstalling your Candy Crush, you just need to simply go with your Facebook, go with the upper right, and go with Logout and select the correct account through which you would like to enter into the Candy Crush. So tap on the account and make sure you log into your account. And once you've logged into your account, you need to open up your Candy Crush and continue with your Facebook. So that's how you can reconnect Candy Crush to your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.